Hello guys, today we will be showing the serial integration with the MX03-LTE-M-EN54 communicator and Iris 8 Teletec fire panel. All you have to do is connect the RX and TX to DAT1 and DAT2 and take the aux positive and negative from here to here. Once you have the wiring and the communicator is powered on, we need to do the programming of the panel itself. Our next step is to enter our programming mode. We start by clicking on System, then we click on Programming. We need to select Panel, and our option is on the bottom right. We click over here, and we need to select the last option, ESPA 444. Once we do that, we click and save, and then we go back home. Now the panel, and our final step is to configure the communicator to expect the same protocol. Once we have the panel configured and the communicator is wired, we go to Admin Platform. We find the needed device and double-click to open up the device dashboard. We go to Advanced Settings, and from here, from COM1, from Events, we need to select Teletec and save the page. Once this is done, our communicator is ready for a serial integration with the Teletec Iris 8 panel. As a final step, we are going to do a simulation of a fire alarm. We are going to spray this sensor, and we're going to check our mobile application to see the fire alarm event. Additional video tutorials for this product and the mobile application are available on our YouTube channel.